Hi friends, this is Hasini. Welcome to RS Tech Views. Please subscribe my channel RS Tech Views and press the bell icon for latest updates. Today we are going to discuss about coding questions. How to find a maximum number in array. Here it is the array initialization. Int input equal to new int brackets 1. These are the numbers 5, 7, 9, 4, 6, 1, 2. It is the array initialization. We'll see the example for clear understanding. Class maximum public static void main string args int input equal to new int 10 comma 2 comma 1 comma -4 5 11. Int maximum equal to input 0 for int I equal to 1 I less than input dot length plus I if maximum less than input maximum equal to input I. It is the for loop and it is the if condition. System dot out dot println save the program maximum.java. Here it is the class and it is the main method. It is the array initialization. Here int maximum equal to input 0. For here we can take the for loop condition. For loop for int I equal to 1. Here I am taking int maximum equal to input 0. So here int I equal to 1. I less than input dot length plus plus I. If condition, here we are using if condition, maximum less than input I, it turns to maximum input I equal to 1. So system.out.println maximum. We'll compile and run this program. We'll see the output of the program. Java C maximum dot Java Java maximum. Here maximum number is output. The output is 11. See here 10, 2, 1, minus 4, 5, 11. It is the 11 is the maximum number. So the output is 11. How to find a minimum number in array? Int input equal to new int. It is taken numbers 5, 7, 9, 4, 6, 1, 2. It is the total array initialization. I will change the program. Class minimum. Class minimum public static void main string aux int input equal to new int, same number, same initialization I am taking. Here int minimum equal to input 0. We require a for loop here also. For int I equal to 1, I less than input dot length plus plus I. If I will just write if condition. If maximum, here we change the minimum, here greater than input I, minimum equal to input I, system.out.println minimum. Now save the program and we compile and run this program. We'll see the output of the program. Minimum.java. Save the program. We'll compile and run this program. We'll see the output of the program. Java minimum. So here minus 4 it is the output. Minimum number is minus 4. 10, 2, 1, minus 4, 5, 11. Here -4 it is the minimum number. Print Fibonacci series in Java. What is the meaning of Fibonacci series? Example 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. We'll see the example for clear understanding. Main string args. Int n1 equal to 0, comma n2 equal to 1, comma n3 I count equal to 10. System.out.println system.out.print n1 plus n3. We required a while loop here for I equal to 2, I less than count plus I. n3 equal to n1 plus n2 system dot out dot print plus n3 n1 equal to n2 n2 equal to n3. It is the program. Now I will compile and run this program and will see the output of the program. First save the program. Java C Fibonacci. Java Fibonacci. Here it is the output of the Fibonacci series 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. Here we are taking count equal to 10. So 10 numbers are coming. From 0 onwards it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers are there. Count equal to 10 we are given. Here see the output. 0 plus 1 becomes 1. 1 plus 1 we will get the value 2. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 5 8. 5 plus 8 13. 8 plus 13 21. 13 plus 21 34. Like this we are adding the numbers. It is known as Fibonacci series. We want this output from straight. Take println. Again compile the program. So it is the output. Println line by line. 0 1 2. Here we are already initialized. So 0 1 1 it is 3. 2 3 5 8 13 21 and 34. Thank you. Please subscribe RH Tech Views. Like, share and comment the video.